Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing some stretches with our yoga blocks. These are going to be full body stretches. You're going to need a pair of blocks, of course. So grab your gear, grab a yoga mat so you're nice and comfortable. We're going to be doing 1 minute on each stretch. So this is going to be a quick 10-minute video and you're going to feel so good afterwards, I promise. So grab your gear and let's get started. So starting off this first exercise, go ahead and put a yoga block down right here, and you want to get it in a position so your face can rest nice and peaceful, almost like a pillow. And then you're going to put another block forward. So for this exercise, we are going to be putting one arm underneath the body, okay? And we're going to be putting the other arm up here. This stretch is so nice. We're stretching the entire back. We're also stretching the side arm. So everything should just feel nice. If you feel any type of pressure, if you feel uncomfortable, bring your blocks in or skip a step. So if you can do this, but you can't put your arm up here, just relax like this, okay? Whatever's comfortable for your body. And we're gonna do this for 1 minute. So let me go ahead and set a timer. And then after the first minute, we're gonna go ahead and switch arms. Let's start the 1 minute now. And if you have to, go ahead and move your butt a little bit towards your body. So if you're super spread out, you might not feel as good. And while you're here, just breathe. And if you want, you can raise it up and do a little motion, or you can just keep it nice and still. Again, if you want more of a stretch in that upper body, just bring your knees back a little bit. The farther back your lower body is, the more of a stretch you're gonna feel, okay? We're gonna do 1 minute here, starting now. Go ahead and breathe. This is a great way to start your day or end your day, or honestly, if you've been working all day long, take a break and take a stretch, especially if you're sitting all day long. Great job. Go ahead and pick up yourself. For this next exercise, we're going to bring your arms together and we're going to go elbows on the outsides. So elbows are going to rest on that, and you are going to lower your body even lower than before. Instead of focusing out, we're focusing in. So just like this, hands can come above the head for a deeper stretch, and just point your face as low to the ground as possible. You should feel it all right here and up here, okay? We're gonna stay here for 1 minute. Good job. For this next one, go ahead and stack your blocks like this. We're playing a little bit of Tetris. Just kidding. I love Tetris though. And we're going to bring our hands both up here and then lower your head in between your arms for a full length stretch. Oh, this feels so good. Let me just start the timer. 1 minute right here. And if it's too much pressure for you, just go ahead and lightly raise up your trunk so that you're not adding all of that pressure to your arms and shoulders. If it's uncomfortable, instead of being here, just go ahead and raise yourself up here. Then you're going to feel less pressure on your arms. If you need that extra stretch, lean down into it and breathe deeply. Perfect. Great job. For these next exercises, we're going to be on our back. So for this first one, go ahead, bring the yoga block right here. I have this knot in my shirt, so that's going to be a little bit uncomfortable. And then rest your head on the other one. So this is number 1, and this feels really nice. The headrest is going to help you from overstretching, but this is just the start because we are going to eventually get all the way down there. So we're going to take 1 minute here. Go ahead and let your arms fall to the sides and breathe deeply. You might be able to crack your back a little bit if you breathe deep enough. Perfect. All right, we are going to go ahead and remove the block that's on your head so that you're going to come down a little bit more. Before you do that though, pull the other block a little bit in towards your lower back so that you're more comfortable. Keep it nice and straight and lean back. 1 minute here, throw your arms back and just relax. This position is so good for your back. If you want to stretch your neck, slightly rock your head from side to side. Reach up nice and tall. Give your spine that stretch that it needs. You can bring your arms out to the side. Palms up to the sky. All right, for this next one, go ahead and lie flat on your back. We're gonna start here. You're gonna bring the block up nice and tall. And we are going, well, let's start here actually. Let's start middle. So lay the block like this, just to start, and then we'll get up to the tippy top. So starting here, place it right at the base of the tailbone. And we're gonna stay 1 minute here. If you want to, you can let your legs out, arms out, whatever feels more comfortable for you. And we're gonna do a minute. From here, we're gonna go ahead and lift up the legs in the air and just let them hover. And we're gonna do a minute here. All right, now next we are going to bring that block up a little bit taller and set it like this instead. You guys can see right here, giving you that back stretch just a little bit deeper. And we're gonna be here for 1 minute. If you have a lot of lower back pain, this exercise will help to release that. Just take it slow. If it's uncomfortable to come up this high, just stay lower with the block or don't use a block. Make sure you're breathing deeply so you can really stretch. You know what they say, the deeper the breath, the deeper the stretch. And that's the truth. All right, you guys, that is today's video. I hope you feel amazing. I hope your body feels good. I hope this helped relieve any tension in your body. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.